Birds are found almost everywhere on Earth, with there being over 10,000 species known. They have adapted to live in many habitats, from deserts to rainforests to even cities. Most birds can fly due to their body structure and feathers, and also many of their bones being hollow to keep them light. Some birds, however, have feathers, such as penguins and ostriches, but cannot fly. Feathers also help protect birds from things like water, heat, and cold. Birds are warm-blooded and control their body temperatures themselves. However, they're most closely related to dinosaurs, which were actually cold-blooded. Birds lay eggs to reproduce and build nests to keep them safe, sitting on them and keeping them warm until they hatch. Bird species vary greatly in size. The bee hummingbird is the smallest bird, weighing less than 3 grams. The ostrich is the largest bird, sometimes standing up to 2.5 meters tall. Birds don't have teeth and can't chew food. They have an area in their throat called a crop where they can store it, and some birds have a gizzard, which is part of their stomach, that helps grind up food. Many birds fly great distances or migrate to different places during the year. Swallows fly from the UK to Africa during the winter, covering over 6,000 miles.